How to make these cute lucky stars? They are very simple. If you have quilling paper like this, you can take one strips of it. If not, you can even make strips using a long A4 sheet, colored ones you can make of them. So here now I'm simply tying a knot at the end of that quilling paper like this. So this totally depends. If you want your star fatter or bigger, you will have to take a bigger strip, a bigger strand. If you want a thinner one, a very small one, cute one, you have to take a thinner strand. So that's it. Once we have tied a knot, you can just fold that flap in the front or at the back, okay, because it will get covered as and when we are moving the longer strip or folding the longer strip along the edges. So basically you have to have a pentagon shape which is formed, and thereafter the longer strip of the quilling paper we will just keep on folding in this way. Basically this is also called origami stars. They call it lucky stars. So try it, maybe it might bring in some luck. But however, they look very cute. So here what I'm making is smaller size than the ones that are there previously that you have seen, that are placed at the bottom of the video. So I'm come through to the end of this folding of the quilling paper. Now this end portion, in case if it's coming out, you can just fold that end flap and tuck it in this way into one of the folds that you have. So here is my star. Well, it is not proper because we still have to end up with the shape forming. For the shape forming, you have to press the centers of those pentagon shapes. So once you press the centers of the pentagon shape, now say suppose you cannot do it with your fingernail or something, you can just take a sharp not sharp, actually a dull object like this which is pointed, and just press it at the center. So once you do this pressing thing at the center, you will see that it starts forming a shape. Just watch your fingers, because too much of pressing could hurt your finger. And that's it. Your origami star or lucky star is ready. That's how simple it is. Now, in case if you need to make a bracelet, you'll need a string. Here I have taken a nylon string, but please do take a cotton string. It's much better than the nylon one. And then all I have to do is, from one of the bent areas of the star, I will just push in the needle like this and bring it out. So basically I have tied a knot at the end of the string, and all I will do is pass the stars in the order of the color that I would like. Again, I'll just show you. That was a smaller star. This is a bigger one. This process takes a little time, so please mind your fingers, you could hurt yourself. Once all the stars have passed through the string, this is how it will look. And now comes the final bit, the knot tying part. So before you tie the knot, just check if the string or the stars are enough to cover in a round form around your wrist for a bracelet. And then to form a knot, so the brown color star string I will take underneath and the blue one over it, and then I'll simply wrap it around my finger, bring it through the bracelet like this. Wrap it around my finger, bring it through the bracelet like this. And once I have 3 circles, I will simply remove those circles slowly from my finger and pass the blue star through that circle. So carefully, if the star is bigger, you would need to form a bigger circle. Since this was small, it passed through easily. Then simply pull that string of the blue star and the knot is formed. So this is basically a slip string bracelet where you can remove, pull through easily to wear it. Just cut off the excess of the threads, and that's it. Try on the bracelet and there. My attacker already is come because she wants the bracelet. She's been eyeing it from the time I've been making it. So that's it. That's how cute it looks. Very simple, easy to make, and very attractive at the same time. So kids will definitely love something like this. Ensure to use a cotton string because that will not slip off your knot very easily, and it will hold on to your wrist for longer time. The nylon string tends to loosen up because it slips through easily. So friends, let me know, how did you all like this lucky star bracelet? Did you all find it interesting, and whom are you planning to make this for? If you all have any suggestions, any new things that you all would like to know, please do let me know in the comments. And if you are new, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.